Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I just want to show you how I created this gorgeous cake card because of course cake is always the answer, and who cares what the question is, right? I love cake. I actually love cupcakes more than cake. But I just wanted to go over how I created this and a couple options that you can have for this fabulous little drip. I did 3 different versions, which I will show you each of them at the end. So this is the most stepped up version because I used powdered glitter. So it's also the most dangerous version. At least I think powdered glitter is dangerous. So I actually used the piece of cake stamp set, so that's this one here. It's got all those fabulous greetings as well as different styles of cakes and this little cake stand. Of course, there is the coordinating cake punch. This is on back order currently, but stay tuned, it will come back. Don't worry about that. So you'll definitely still have a chance to get it. And if you've already gotten it with the millions of others who have purchased this and put it into back order, then you can create this card right now. So first I took my Gorgeous Grape ink, and I have Highland Heather and Gorgeous Grape. So I have Gorgeous Grape and I did the cake stand, and then I have Highland Heather that I stamped in Gorgeous Grape, and that is my cake. So I'm just going to punch those out by holding my punch upside down, lining it up and punching. And by doing little strips like this, you actually reduce the amount of waste since it punches both images at the same time. So now we have our fabulous little cake here. And then I got that awesome little background by just taking a piece of Whisper White. This measures 4 inches by 5 1/4. And I have Cake is the Answer. And I'm going to ink it up in Gorgeous Grape. And then I'm just going to start stamping. So I'm going to go in full strength and then stamp again and then stamp again and just kind of move it around here and there. And now I'm going to come back in and stamp here and there. Just sort of filling in. So you just kind of stamp here and there all over the place. It doesn't matter if they're all lined up perfectly or not. Then I'm going to, I probably should have put a piece of grid paper down knowing I was going to stamp off. So now I'm going to go to put my cake on. So one of the things that I did is I used regular adhesive for this. You can also use your fine tip glue pen since you'll be using your fine tip glue pen for the top of the cake. So I'm going to use my fine tip glue pen, just adding just a very small little amount. And put that down. Press for a few seconds just to allow that glue to have a nice strong hold. Now of course we want our lollipops on there, so I'm just going to set my cake piece down and scoot it down just a smidge too far so you can actually see that it is below the cake stand. And so then I'm going to take my lollipops and stamp them right on top. Now I know that whenever I push them up, my lollipops have a little bit of a shorter stem, or stick I guess I should say, but I know that they're in the right spot. So now I'm going to take this and I'm actually going to put it on with Stampin Dimensionals. So here I have my Stampin Dimensionals on there. I'm going to line up my cake and place it down. And now here's the fun part. So I'm actually going to take the fine tip glue pen and I'm just going to color in with those drips. You don't really need a lot, so just kind of squeeze just ever so gently here and there. You don't need to squeeze the whole time, and you definitely don't need to squeeze a lot. So you can always stop here and have that fabulous shine on your card, or you can always bring in some of your Dazzling diamonds and add some glitter to it. So here I just have a container with all my Dazzling diamonds in it, and I'm going to take my spoon, which is also purple, and just sprinkle some on, and it will stick on that fine tip glue pen. tap off the excess. And there you have that gorgeous cake. Let me put the lid back on this glitter. There's no doubt in my mind that I would have spilled that if I didn't put the lid back on. So there you have that fabulous cake. I do want to show you those other options. Here I stopped, since I did it in blue, I thought glitter was not very manly. So I stopped and just did that fine tip glue pen so you can see that shimmer on the cake drip. And then this one I did with just the Wink of Stella. So it's just a very fine little shimmer. And so it doesn't quite have the same kick as the purple does, but it is the less dangerous version. So I hope you can see that very well. I will try, if it doesn't show up very well, I will do a little macro at the end of this video so that you can see each of these all lined up and nice and close up as well. Don't forget, I'll also have pictures on my blog, laurastamppad.com, so you can check it out there. I am going to set this one aside because it does take a little bit to dry, so I don't want to mess that one up while it is still drying. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial showing the piece of cake stamp set and coordinating punch. Like I said, it is on back order, but stay tuned, it will be back in. So you guys just loved it so much that that it was flying off the shelf faster than Stampin' Up! Could keep ordering more, because trust me, they were ordering tons of it. You guys just loved it so much. So let me know which one your favorite is. Is it the all-out powdered glitter dangerous one? Is it the fine tip glue pen only for a little shine? Or is it the safe, little bit of shine Wink of Stella option there? Let me know in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.